What if I told you that one small mistake in shuttering work can damage an entire slab? On many construction sites, shuttering fails not because of bad concrete, but because of poor formwork installation. And most people don't even realize where they went wrong. Today, I'm going to explain shuttering carpenter work step by step, the common mistakes that cause structural problems, and the professional methods that experienced civil engineers use on site. So watch carefully, because one tip in this video can save your project from cracks, leakage, or even collapse. Shuttering, also known as formwork, is a temporary structure used to support fresh concrete until it gains enough strength. When we cast a slab, beam, column, or footing, the concrete is in liquid form. Without proper support and alignment, it can lose shape or deflect under its own weight. That's why shuttering carpenter work is one of the most critical jobs in construction. A professional shuttering carpenter must first understand the structural drawing. Without reading drawings properly, measurements can go wrong. After that, accurate measurement is taken on site. Plywood sheets and timber are cut according to required dimensions. Beam bottoms are fixed, slab plates are laid, and side shutters are installed carefully. Next comes support work. Props, ballies, or scaffolding are installed below slabs and beams to carry the weight of wet concrete. Remember, concrete weighs about 2,400 kilograms per cubic meter. That is extremely heavy. If supports are weak or too far apart, the slab can bend or even collapse during casting. Line and level checking is another crucial step. A slight level difference can cause water ponding on slabs, which later leads to seepage problems. Professionals always check alignment using water level pipes or laser levels before concrete pouring. Before casting starts, shuttering oil is applied. And this prevents concrete from sticking to plywood and ensures smooth finishing after de-shuttering. Now let's talk about common mistakes. The first mistake is weak support spacing. Many workers try to reduce material use, but this creates risk. Proper prop spacing must be maintained based on slab thickness and span. The second mistake is ignoring side support strength. During concrete vibration, lateral pressure increases on beam sides and column shutters. If clamps and supports are not tight, then the sides can bulge outward, ruining alignment. The third mistake is early de-shuttering. Slab formwork should generally remain in place for 7 to 14 days, depending on span and project specifications. Removing supports too early can cause cracks and long-term structural weakness. There are different types of shuttering used in modern construction. Timber shuttering is traditional and economical. Plywood formwork gives better finishing. Steel formwork is durable and reusable. Aluminum formwork, also known as MIVAN technology, is widely used in fast-track projects because it increases speed and ensures uniform quality. If you want to grow in the construction field, learning shuttering carpenter work is a powerful skill. Skilled formwork carpenters are always in demand, especially in large residential and commercial projects. Remember, strong structures don't just depend on good concrete, they depend on perfect shuttering. See you in the next video.